Yes. It's a wonderful Sunday, people. Big up on yourself. Yes. I take on the streets right now. Streets of Brooklyn. Yo, sir. The weather. I don't know if they're on some tricky stuff. The weather really feel like it's nice, you know, bro. But it's that tricky. It's a tricky thing, you know. I set up. Nah, set up me a blood clot. Road stand look loud over this. That is it. When I drive it down there. Yo, me I tell you, say. Jaja. Every day them block your road over here so with this. Same thing used to go on and them do that one. I know this over here so. See what kind of stores them got at the left there. Let me see, is it? Over that one they turn up. Down state. Yeah, glad. Tell you right now, people. Time to have some fun. What take place here so now? Okay. Because I'm sure what you are doing. It's always some genius. See me? She had to be a fuck. Why some people just not have patience and them not enough waste. Want something we call common sense. You know, common at all, you know, and everybody have it. You'll be surprised. Oh God. Smooth road. I best road in Brooklyn this. Lord, fire. Say happy Easter, people. Big up on yourself. Anyone there watch this, you see me? Yeah man, love is love. One love, blessings to everybody. I saw something for go. Sunday, have a pleasant Sunday, man. Like, well, ain't nothing to worry about, Mr. Smaddy. When I upset me day, I just laugh. When I upset my day, I go look at spliff for smoke right now. That me I talk about. You can't pick unhappiness in me. You think man young and fool? Yeah. Young and smart here. Oh, keep them pressure to themselves in a charge. Oh God. There star. See if I can reach King's Plaza, you know. Yeah, so it's something set. So I'm up on it over there. I think set. I don't know, I feel for one cup of coffee. And a split. Got the Rolls Royce just park up. Where the Rolls Royce want, the oil change. What kind of oil you put in the Rolls Royce, huh? Super synthetic. Must. I want to know what type of oil them put in the Rolls Royce. Some well refined oil. Or just cap them cap and hey bro, you have all them type of car, they have to be careful which mechanic you make work on, you know, because you know say them a put some cheap oil in that and you know say your engine not gonna last. The Rolls Royce sound like one Honda go down the road. People, may I try to grow my channel, you know, may I ask you to please subscribe and like, share the video, and leave a positive comment. You see me, we not positive vibe, and we are spread love. Me tell you something, if I post, tree they're pretty. If I post, when me I work, right, you know what I'm saying, I keep forgetting the camera. If I wake up and rush, you gotta work. Guy, people them working half time for you pick up camera, bro. If you know, you know. Yeah, so YouTube wanna make some wonderful content right now for share with the world, you understand? Yeah. It's about to be a very festive time right now, so let's see how that go right now, you know what I mean? So I will be sharing a lot of stuff on the internet right now. Hope you guys are entertained. Long time I don't see one satellite dish. Oh, I wonder if it still work. Yo, that's the thing. I wonder if the satellite dish still work, bro. So one time my daughter did the thing, you know, bro. What? You get the connection. You know the thing set. The HBO, Cinemax. You know, long I watch one of them channels, you know. Trust me, bro. Time and things change. For real. I remember me used to, I like still to watch a good movie, but not as how much as how me used to watch movies and things, because more responsibility and I have so much free time. When I do have some time, because I'm not gonna call me the busiest person, but I tell you, say when I do have some time, like to be entertained, bro, like, how you mean? What's better than watching a nice movie and just feel, you know what I mean? But me used to really like to watch a movie, bro. Especially karate movie, you know what I'm gonna watch. Matter of fact, you know, should I watch a Kickers today, bro? I don't watch one in a long time. You know, YouTube have everything over there. Yo. Oh God. YouTube, let me all cancel Netflix. Wow. Data go on. Copyright something right now. Here. 1 second. Then again. Just have to this. Any music they on, we have to replace it because we're not there on cereal. That's big. You see that? Get one of them pack of cereal and get fucked up. Right. cyber trucker forward. Jaja, camouflage. Put on the seatbelt, guys. One of them tires I want to hear, bro. See that? I never did it. I like that supposed to up there. So you go probably pick up one screw or something, you know. I don't know. We don't even know. But